All right, I'm going to show up close and personal connection to your PlayStation for the fans. Look at this. It's actually blowing in. This is an exhaust, right? It's going to be blowing out any heat coming out, circulating the actual system itself. You have a USB that acts like a hub. Right now I'm powering it up with a USB power adapter so you guys can see a power bank. So you can see how it works, right? And how strong it is first. There is a button here, you guys can see, and it has different modes. Change it to slower. You can hear it slowing it down, and then you can turn it off. So it has two different modes, right? So I'm going to set this up on our PlayStation 5. I just wanted to see. And of course, when you're plugging it in, it does have that USB connection. It grabs on through here, and the USB is going to sticking out here, right? So if you guys can see, sucking in the air through here, blowing it out. All right, check it out. I don't have that much room to show you the whole thing, but here's the actual fans blowing up air. Really good. You got extra opening on the bottom, so you can plug in your USB, and it has an off and on button here. You can turn it off. Lights are beautiful. You can see the blue on it. PlayStation's glowing on the side of it too. Really good for your PlayStation 5. Easy to install. It's a plug and play.